Okay guys, so this was going to be a new set, so I'm using the regular white tips. I was going to leave them the way they just come, but I ended up doing just a little bit of filing on both ends just to make them a little skinnier, and I wasn't doing them as tapered as I usually do this time. So then I got my glue, and then I'm going to glue them on. And as always, everything that I use is linked and listed in my description box, and everything is pretty much super affordable. Then I just go ahead and cut them down with regular nail clippers. The actual nail cutter, I think it's only like $3, is I will link in the description box as well, but I just use regular ones, and I'm still using the same e-file that I've been using for a long time. It's just, it works fine for me. Love it, and again, super affordable. So I'm just gonna file down, sand down some of the edges, mainly the two sides, and I just want to get rid of that kind of lift it has from my natural nail and the fake nail. So first I'm going to prime each nail with the nail primer, and then I'm going to take the clear acrylic that I always use, and I'm just going to start putting that acrylic on. So after I shape them the way that I want them, I'm going to take the e-file again, and I'm going to start sanding them down. I do like them really thin. This drill bit, or whatever it's called, I think I said it in my last video, I got these as replacements. I don't think these are the right ones for this e-file. They still work, they work fine, but they are really coarse, and yeah, you just got to be very careful. I used it on the slowest speed and it was still super fast, and it works really, really, really good. I don't know if I'm just used to dull ones or what, but just be very careful if you do get these. I think they were a lot faster to use, but again, I was going very slow and very careful because they were pretty, like I said, they were pretty coarse. So I did end up finding the original ones, the replacements for this machine. So I will link those in the description box as well. Okay, so this is a set that I got. It comes with a set of 6 and also comes with magnets for that cat eye kind of shimmery effect. Originally, when I bought this set, I was trying to go for a totally different look and effect. I just wanted to see if it would work with this, but it didn't end up working. So I just did the regular cat eye effect that it was made for. So, and it was pretty simple and easy to do. And I went with the, I think it's 005 color. It's like a golden champagne color. It's a really pretty color. So you just apply it on first like regular, and then you take the magnet and you can basically make whatever kind of design you want or however you want it to look. It's very to your own taste, like however you want it to look. So I went in with one coat, and then I just took the smallest little magnet. It comes with different sizes and different ones. And I just made basically like a line across. And then if you mess up, as you can see right here, I was just trying different things because I was just trying to just different looks. If you mess up, you can just go with the paint again and then just swipe it away and try again. So however you want it to look. So the instructions did say to do each finger one by one. So after you get the design you want, then you cure it and move on to the next hand. I did that, and I also went over them twice. So basically 2 coats, and then I put a clear coat on top. So it was really simple, really easy to do, nothing too hard or special. I think this set only cost like $7 and it would cost you like $10 extra for this design probably at a nail salon each time. So it was fun. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.